My report is all about the water cycle. A water cycle is a movement of water above, on, and below the surface of the earth. The water cycle consists of the three distinct stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation. In this report, I will discuss the stages of water cycle step by step. First, the evaporation. The evaporation is the process by which water in the ocean and on land changes to water vapor and evaporate to the atmosphere as a gas. Evaporation from land is called transpiration. Ay, not ay.
Sus, batay! Sayang kayo ba? Gapo kay Kadre, mura kag sikuan.
Yo yo eh.